Hi there. So I'm going to show you how to make a box with cardstock for the candy box topper, tops and bottoms. This is in case you want to do a hidden gift inside it, or you'd like to use it and you just ran out of the clear boxes. So this is a 5.5 by 8.5 sheet of cardstock, and I've scored it starting from this side 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches, and 2 inches. This is leaving me the 1/2 inch strip over there. So I'm just going to fold this at all of my score lines, okay, and flatten that part out. You'll notice this lines up like that, and you could crease this if you had your bone folder handy, which I should have, I know, and I don't. Alright, so I'm going to take this little strip here, and again, you guys should know by now I like to glue instead of tape. So my glossy accents, which I need to refill my little bottle, is going on that 1/2 inch strip edge. Okay, I'm going to make sure I don't have any extra to spill out. And if you want to, you could protect the inside by putting a strip of cardstock in here, but you should be fine if you don't use too much. So you'll see that that is perfect and it lays flat to glue. Okay, so now I have my tube, essentially, made out of cardstock. Okay, and my seam is right along that edge, so it's nice and perfect, nothing to trim off. My top and my bottom then fit, and I could make this longer if I needed to, or shorter if I needed to, and I could cut a window into it. I think I might do that next time. I'll cut a window using like my cupcake die, and you could fill it with candy and then have the extra in there. I think I should put pink on this, not red. These are the pieces I already had cut, so I did that. So that is a candy box made from cardstock. And just tie that up with a ribbon. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day.